Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you, if you need to blink at all, feel free to blink, okay? Don't let your eyes dry out. Don't let your eyes dry out, okay?
Yep.
26-year-old Jade Irwin, who was found with her partner named Derek. Both were drunk and out of their element. It begins on the fateful night of July 13th, 2023, 10:54 p.m.
A male and a female that just left Village Pantry said that they were like falling asleep. And then we saw you pull in here, so.
No, I'm as wide as wake as ever, bud. You know.
Okay. But you guys are okay?
Yeah,
I was
of course.
texting my mom back. My head was down, but.
Okay.
She might have been in an emotional state fighting with her mom.
No, I'm not saying that you guys necessarily did something wrong. I'm just saying that based on the complaint that we got, we wanted to make sure that you guys were okay.
Okay. Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Have you guys had anything to drink tonight?
No.
Used any drugs or anything? No? Okay.
Good. I mean, when lethargic is a word used like for slow-bodied movement, like.
Right.
And I wasn't slow at all getting around to the end of the car or doing anything I was doing.
Okay. Well, I disagree with that. All right.
Okay.
What have you taken today?
Me?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing at all?
Nothing.
Okay. Do you care if I check your eyes just to make sure you're okay?
Yeah, you can.
You're
go
okay
ahead.
with that?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
All right, let's walk in front of your car here. Can you just put your stuff up there on the hood?
Yeah.
This is for being.
Well, I believe that she is impaired. Okay, at this point I believe that she is impaired. So I want to make sure that you're not.
I'm not.
Okay, because obviously you drove a car, right?
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure that everyone gets home safe at the end of the day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So take a step away from your car there.
Okay.
There we go. Put your feet together. You see the tip of my finger right here?
Mm-hmm.
All right, what I want you to do is follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
Don't move your head. Do you understand?
Take a man down
All
with a quick one. But no, we're just getting Taco Bell and getting some ice cream and going home, man.
I got you. We just have to follow up on the complaints with you, that's all.
Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you, if you need to blink at all, feel free to blink, okay? Don't let your eyes dry out.
I was like,
Don't let your eyes dry out, okay?
Yep.
It's gonna go up this time, all right?
Can I change?
Nope, just feet back together for me.
No, I'm just readjusting myself.
Okay. Do you have any recent head injuries or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was in a car accident when I was pregnant.
When was that?
Mixing up my words.
Well, I had my son May 10th, and it was probably a couple weeks before that.
Okay. What happened in your car accident? You hit your head?
Yes.
Okay, did you have a concussion, or what did they determine there?
Yeah, they determined I had a concussion.
Had a concussion. Okay. Are you normally able to cross your eyes? Do you know?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you wear contacts?
I used to. I'm supposed to.
Okay.
But I have to get them. I broke my glasses, and then I decided to get glasses or contacts, and then I haven't went and got them yet. So.
Gotcha. But you don't have contacts in right now or anything?
No.
Okay. There's a couple other tests I'd like to offer you. Are you willing to take those tests?
What are they?
It would be a walk and turn and a one-leg stand.
What is that?
A one-leg stand. So you just pick one foot up off the ground, stare at it, and you count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on. I know you said you have balance problems.
Yeah,
so.
I do have a very bad balance problem.
A rod in your leg.
So I can't make you do it. I'm just offering them to you. If you don't want to do them, it's totally up to you.
Yeah, I'd rather not because of the balance issue. I just don't want to.
Yeah, with the
okay.
metal rod in your leg.
Are you willing to do a test where you just stand pretty much like normal, feet together, tilt your head back, close your eyes, and count to 30?
Count to 30.
You willing to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just look up and.
Yeah, I'll give you the instructions here, okay?
Okay.
And then put your feet together just like they just were.
Sometimes it's still hard.
Okay? Hands down to your side. Maintain that position for me, okay? When I tell you to begin, I'm going to give you 3 sets of instructions. Okay? I'm going to tell you to close your eyes.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you to tilt your head back and begin. Okay? When I say begin, I want you to start thinking about how long 30 seconds is. Okay? Once 30 seconds has passed, I want you to look back at me and say stop.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
All right. Go ahead and close your eyes. Tilt your head back. Just a second here. And begin.
Oh, I started already.
Okay, let's do that again. Okay.
I'm sorry,
nope, that's
started
okay. It's
already.
kind of my fault I wasn't set, and I thought I was. All right. So feet back together for me.
I was already counting.
I gotcha.
All right.
Same thing. Feet together there. Hands down your side.
Okay.
Okay. Close your eyes. Tilt your head back, and begin. Okay. So Jade, you're under arrest for OVI. Okay, put your hands behind your back. All right.
Oh, okay. What the hell?
Bring your hands away from your back.
Okay. You can go get my mom.
Yeah, I'll go get your mom right now.
Either of those feel too tight? Okay.
Sorry, I need help getting in here.
All right. Okay. You don't have to. You're not under arrest for operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drug or a combination of them. Operating a vehicle while under the influence of a listed controlled substance or a listed metabolite of a controlled substance. Operating a vehicle after underage alcohol consumption or having physical control of a vehicle while under the influence. If you refuse to take any chemical test required by law, your Ohio driving privileges will be suspended immediately and you have to pay a fee to have the privileges reinstated. If you have a prior conviction of OVI or operating a vehicle under the influence of a listed controlled substance or a listed metabolite of a controlled substance.
Stop you right there.
Mhm.
Okay, when you said.
Finally, the cops took Jade with them handcuffed, leaving Derek with the vehicle. Police charged her with OVI and hit her license with a big suspension for a whole year.